Hi guys, welcome to Production Expert. My name's Dan Cooper. Got myself a copy of Voice Leveler, a new era single dial plugin by Accusonus that promises to automatically sort out inconsistencies in spoken word voiceover levels, which may not sound that exciting to, let's say, the music production community, but audio post-production engineers and video editors who mix their own audio levels will love this plugin. Like other Era plugins from Accusonus, such as Era Noise Remover, Reverb Remover, De-esser, and Plosive Remover, all available as a bundle, I might add, Voice Leveler's processing is centered around this one single dial. Twist it in and get fast results. Now let me share with you a typical mixing challenge that I face quite often. When I make screen cap videos, such as this video that I'm making now, my spoken voice that you're hearing as well now is usually the same sort of consistent level, right up to the point when I need to speak over a music example. And without fail, I will increase the strength and volume of my voice because the music's obviously got louder in my headphones, which is a bit of a pain to get right in the edit, more so if it's a very long video with lots of music examples. And if I don't sort out these inconsistencies in voiceover level, it sounds like I'm shouting at the audience in a video. So not great, and it's a bit of a pain to fix. Let me give you an example of this. So what we're going to do is take this plugin out of Bypass and then run some audio through it and have a listen to what this can do. And if you listen closely, you'll hear that effect, but it's only subtle. So you can hear exactly when my voice gets louder. Now, what I would normally do in the edit is chop this up and adjust the clip gain and have a listen to what this can do. And if you listen closely, which does fix the problem, but as I said earlier, if it's a long edit that I'm working on, I can be here for quite a while fixing those problems. Now, let's run that same bit of audio through Voice Leveler and see if it sorts out the inconsistencies in volume. So what we're going to do is take this plugin out of Bypass and then run some audio through it and have a listen to what this can do. And if you listen closely, you'll hear that effect, but it's only subtle. You can see down there on the waveform display, scrolling along, you can see the yellow signifies louder volume. So what we're going to do is take this plugin out of Bypass and then run some audio through it and have a listen to what this can do. And if you listen closely, you'll hear that effect. Let's just bring the output down a little bit so we can do some A/Bing. So what we're going to do is take this plugin out of Bypass and then run some audio through it and have a listen to what this can do. And if you listen closely, you'll hear that effect, but it's only subtle. Does a great job. Now we've got a couple of modes down here, normal and tight. If I'm honest, normal's really just going to be the main mode you're going to stay on here. And on off at the top, you can resize the GUI if you want to as well. I've got it on 200% here at the minute. A/B, so if you needed to compare two sets of settings, you can do that very easily there. And that's about it. It's a very simple plugin to use. To find out my verdicts on Accusonus Voice Leveler, do click the card at the top right of the screen or the link in the description below. Hope you guys got something from this. I'm Dan from Production Expert, and I'll see you again soon.